Welcome back to True Car Facts, and today we've got 7 more unbelievable car facts that most people will never know. But now you will. The 2013 Nissan Altima can run for 40 miles. With no oil, Nissan's 2.5L engine in the 2013 Altima has such tight tolerances and thermal coatings that in testing, it continued running for up to 40 miles after all engine oil had drained out. Engineers designed it that way for emergency survival scenarios. And while not recommended, there are verified cases of owners unknowingly driving weeks with no oil pressure and no catastrophic failure. Ford once made a Mustang that could only go 55 mph. In 1980, during the U.S. fuel crisis, Ford built a special order fleet of Mustangs for government use that were electronically limited to 55 mph. Built for state patrols and fuel efficiency tests, these Mustangs looked aggressive, but were slower than a base Pinto. Most were crushed after testing, but a few survive, often confused for normal V8 models. The 2005 Chrysler 300C shares software with a tank. The Uconnect system in the early Chrysler 300C was based on the same software framework used in certain U.S. military vehicles, specifically the M1 Abrams command modules. Dodge engineers reused code from a defense contractor contract, which is why some early 300C infotainment systems show debug messages labeled "Armor Init Successful." The first Subaru WRX sold in America wasn't supposed to be sold. A single WRX slipped through in 2001, a year before official launch, due to a shipping error. It was meant for a Canadian press fleet, but was accidentally registered to a customer in Oregon. Subaru tried to buy the car back quietly, but the owner refused. It's still on the road today, completely legal, and has a VIN 1 digit off from every other WRX sold in the US 5. There was a Corvette that came with a built-in drone. In 2016, Chevy tested a Corvette Z06 concept with a built-in retractable drone, designed to fly above the car and record footage while driving. It was voice-controlled and stored inside the trunk. The project was shelved due to FAA concerns, but internal footage from the prototype leaked in 2020. Showing a drone launch at 75 mm Mars 6. The original Mini could fit in an elevator. The 1959 Mini was so compact that it could fit sideways into most commercial elevators in Britain. In fact, several wealthy owners would park them inside high-rise apartments using freight lifts. This led to a strange building code update in London, banning vehicles inside residential lifts by 1963.7. Some Lexus models hide a secret boss mode setting. In select Lexus LS models from 2007-2011, there's an undocumented HVAC mode known as Boss Mode that redirects all airflow and seat heating to the rear right passenger seat, disabling all other zones. This was built specifically for chauffeured executives in Japan and can only be accessed by entering a specific button sequence on the climate control panel. If these blew your mind, hit that subscribe button. We're just getting started. And there are more car facts coming that'll change the way you look at your garage forever.